Mr. Adi Ng, Professor Sheng-Tong Yao, Professor Sir James Merlees, Mr. Ronnie Chan, distinguished professors, school principals, teachers, students, and guests. Welcome to the announcement and presentation of the 2012 Hang Lung Mathematics Awards. My name is Carmen Law, and I'm from Hang Lung Properties. It is my pleasure to be the MC of today's event. Before I begin the introductions, may I ask that you kindly switch off your mobile phone and other electronic devices. Thank you. The Hang Lung Mathematics Awards is a biannual mathematics research competition for secondary school students in Hong Kong. Founded in 2004 by Mr. Ronnie Chan, chairman of Hang Lung Properties, and Professor Sheng-Tong Yao, a world-renowned mathematician and FUSE medalist. The purpose of the awards is to stimulate creativity and encourage intellectual discovery in mathematics and science among secondary school students. 2012 marks the 5th Hang Lung Mathematics Awards, and we are very pleased to see new schools participating as well as new ones. Our earlier winners have graduated and are contributing to society in many ways, both professionally, academically, and personally. We're very happy that some of them are with us today. Nearly 90 teams from 62 schools in Hong Kong participated in the 2012 Hang Lung Mathematics Awards. 14 teams were selected for the oral defense, which was held yesterday. And today, we will learn which of the 14 teams will be the winners of the 2012 Hang Lung Mathematics Awards. The co-organizers of the Hang Lung Mathematics Awards are Hang Lung Properties, the Institute of Mathematical Sciences, and the Department of Mathematics at the Chinese University of Hong Kong. May I now invite Mr. Ronnie Chan, chairman of Hang Lung Properties, to come up on the stage and make some welcome remarks. Please welcome Mr. Chan.
Thank you, Carmen. We're so honored that the Secretary for Education, Mr. Eddie Ng, is with us. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome Secretary Ng. Eddie, take a bow. Well, about 15 years ago, Sheng-Tong and I, who have known each other for a long, long time, and by the way, he is one of the most expensive friends I have, he came to my office and we decided to set up a thing called the Morningside Medal of Mathematics. Now, Morningside is the name of the family company of my family, and that is to benefit mathematicians of Chinese descent anywhere in the world. We don't care where you live. As long as you're really, really world-class, you have a chance to win the Morningside Medal of Mathematics. And then 10, 11 years ago, Sheng-Tong came back to me. We reviewed that program. We thought it was really going very, very well. And then Sheng-Tong has another idea. And every idea Sheng-Tong has is always very, very costly. And he said, you know, we really should do something for the Hong Kong students. I said, very, very good. This time, because Hang Lung is a Hong Kong-based company, that it should not be, again, supported by my family, Morningside. Rather, it should be Hang Lung, because we benefit Hong Kong students. Our idea, of course, is to give Hong Kong high school students an opportunity to discover mathematical problems, try to find solutions for them, and in the process, go through the process of research. That is not something that Hong Kong students perhaps are known for, but the reality, as shown in the last 9 years, since our beginning in 2004, is that Hong Kong students has tremendous amount of potential. It just need to be discovered. They just need to be given the opportunity to have a try at it. And I'm happy to say that they have proven to be extraordinary. So we formed the Hang Lung Medal of Mathematics. We are very pleased that Sheng-Tong, together with many of his very famous mathematics professors' friends, has served in the scientific committee chaired by Sheng-Tong himself. And so today we have many professors from Stanford, from Michigan, from the Chinese Academy of Sciences in Beijing, and many other, Cornell, and so forth. We're also very pleased that we have a steering committee led by one of our own, that is from the Chinese University of Hong Kong. We're delighted that the master of the Morningside College, sorry to mention that name again, I can't afford it, of the Chinese University, is the 1996 Nobel laureate in economics, who himself is a mathematician. I was told by his wife, who is a dear friend of mine, that he reads mathematics books every night before he goes to bed. So we're delighted that we should have a mathematician turned economist, Professor James Merlis, to be the chairman of the steering committee. Jim, take a bow. Great to have you. Of course, I should also thank my colleagues at the Chinese University. I call them colleagues because I suppose since I wasn't smart enough to enter as a freshman, you have to donate some money to become their colleagues. But anyway, I'm very, very honored that many of them are here. The retired chairman of the mathematics department, Professor Lau Ka-sing, and then now we have Professor Raymond Chan, himself an awardee of the Morningside Medal one time, and Thomas Au and Tom Wen. So I want to invite these four gentlemen to be acknowledged: Professor Lau, Professor Chan, Professor Au, and Professor Wan. Please stand to be recognized. The last thing I want to say is I'm very, very pleased that 13 of our previous awardees of the Hang Lung Medal of Mathematics are here with us today. As Carmen mentioned, many of them have gone on to very, very distinguished career. Some of them are still studying. I would not mention all 13 names. I would just mention a few. The first gold medalist in 2004 is Edward Fan Xin-zun. He is now a fourth-year PhD student in mathematics at Caltech. We have the 2006 gold medalist, Zhang Cheng-hin, who is now, what are you doing? You are now an engineer working for the Hong Kong government. We have the 2008 silver medalist, Lei Yin-dat, who is studying first-year PhD student at MIT in mathematics. We have the 2006 bronze medalist, Lei Chong-sing, who, after receiving his degree in chemistry and science education from Fordai, is now doing his Hong Kong UST, is now doing his PhD in pharmacy. So we have, there are many others. I want all 13 of them, please rise to be seen and recognized. All the former awardees of this award. Ladies and gentlemen, the future of Hong Kong. I also want to thank all of you, my friends and leaders of our society, to show up here. I don't know who the winner is. Don't think that just because you are chosen to sit in front, you're the winner. That's not necessarily the case. I think they just, I don't know, pull a lot or something, and everybody sits wherever. We don't know who the winner is. In fact, as is always the case, you know, I serve on many university boards and associated with many other universities in the United States. I never, for once, as a matter of principle, never want to get involved in the academic side of things because I don't qualify. So I never met on academic freedom. I don't know who is the winner. Last night I hosted dinner for the adjudicating panel, the scientific committee, as well as some of the members of the steering committee. We never talk about who the winners are. So, ladies and gentlemen, I don't know who you are. When you find out, I'll be as surprised as you are. But whatever it is, I think it's wonderful that Hong Kong students can have their potential in research discovered at a young age. Many of them, after being haven't won something like this, will no doubt carry on in this good academic field, and I'm sure many of them will go on to many, many higher things. And so I'm delighted that all of you are here. I welcome all of you who are my friends in the business community. I welcome all of you who are in the educational community, and I welcome all the students. So all the students, why don't you rise to be seen? Where are you? All the students who have participated, the 14 teams.
Thank you, Mr. Chan.